Ethereum price prediction for 2022 and beyond. Should you buy or sell? Watch till the end to find out, and don't forget to support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you won't miss new updates on ETH. Without further ado, let's dive to the main topic of the day. The ETH cryptocurrency has failed to hold the $3,000 level reached at the start of March. Bearish sentiment has prevailed during recent market volatility. Cryptocurrencies, including Ether, dropped sharply in late February as Russia's invasion of Ukraine contributed to a risk-off environment amid increasing macroeconomic concerns. The price trend briefly turned higher in early March in response to the U.S. administration's executive order on regulating cryptocurrency, but has since fallen back to around $2,500. Where do analysts and forecasters see the ETH price moving in the future? In this article, we look at some of the latest short-term predictions and long-term outlook. Ethereum price prediction for 2022 and beyond. Is now the time to buy, hold, or sell? What do analysts' expectations indicate for ETH investors? Is the coin a buy for this year, or should you consider taking a short position for a profitable trade? Following the January 2022 lows, February has put in a higher low so far. Bulls better hope that resistance around $3,100 $3,200s break to establish a higher high for further continuation. Falling back to low $2,000s wouldn't be pretty, analysts at Sentiment wrote in a recent Ethereum price outlook. The sentiment is pretty bearish, with a lack of confidence at the moment that the price will go up any further. For the short term, ETH price analysis from CoinCodex was bearish at the time of writing, the 14th of March, with 24 technical indicators giving bearish signals compared with 5 bullish. The daily simple, SMAs and exponential moving averages, EMAs, were bearish, along with the 21-week and 50-week averages. The 100-week and 200-week averages showed buy signals. The Stochastic Relative Strength Index, RSI, was bullish, while the Hull Moving Average and Volume-Weighted Moving Average were bearish. With the ETH price at $2,549.64, there was support at $2,549.64 down to $2,381.37, with resistance from $2,586.69 up to $2,689.35. Despite short-term bearish signals, CoinCodex's Ethereum prediction suggested that the price could break through the first resistance level and trade at $2,604.48 by the 19th of March. The long-term Ethereum forecast from Wallet Investor was bullish, projecting that the price could climb to $4,668.99 by the end of 2022, reaching $7,142.94 by the end of 2023. The algorithm-based forecasting site's ETH prediction indicated that the price could surpass $10,000 in 2025 and end the year at $12,108.60. By 2027, the price could move up to $14,905.20. Government Capital's Ethereum future price prediction saw the coin trading at $4,048.121 by the end of 2022 and $12,959.04 by the end of 2025. It then expected the price to accelerate to $17,575.68 by March 2027. The Ethereum coin price prediction from Digital Coin suggested the price could remain volatile over the coming years, based on historical data. The price could average $3,320.02 in 2022 and $3,686.78 in 2023, rise to $5,020.28 in 2025, but then slide to $4,641.10 in 2026. The site's ETH crypto price prediction showed that the coin could then gain momentum, reaching $11,788.98 in 2030. According to Price Predictions Ethereum forecast for 2022, the price could move up to $5,004.81 in 2023. Based on deep artificial intelligence-assisted technical analysis, the site's ETH price prediction showed that ETH could average $10,772.88 in 2025 and soar to $73,223.60 by 2030. The Ethereum projected price has become increasingly dependent on Bitcoin, as analysts at Arcane Research noted on the 8th of March. Bitcoin backtracked all gains from last week and saw an 11% decline over the last 7 days, with ETH following closely as the ETH-BTC correlation approaches March 2020 highs. New FOMC meetings and soaring commodity prices create a climate ripe for exposing black swans. When looking for ETH coin price predictions, it's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets remain extremely volatile. That makes it difficult to accurately predict what a coin's price will be in a few hours, and even harder to give long-term estimates. As such, analysts and algorithm-based forecasters can and do get their predictions wrong. If you are considering investing in cryptocurrency tokens, we recommend that you always do your own research. Look at the latest market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion before making any investment decision. Keep in mind that past performance is no guarantee of future returns. And never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Ether tracks Bitcoin volatility. The Ether price dropped from the $3,000 level in mid-February to $2,308.91 on the 24th of January. Financial markets sold off as tensions escalated between Russia and Ukraine. Sentiment analysts noted. Following the fear and panic that set in from both the war news and subsequent price drops, sentiment became negative just as prices began to rise. Bitcoin surged rapidly, gaining plus 27% over the following 6 days after bottoming out on the initial news report of the war. The ETH price moved back above $3,000 on the 1st of March after the initial sell-off, but fell back to $2,455.59 on the 7th of March ahead of the Biden administration's executive order. The order calls on the industry to consider the implications of developments and adoption of digital assets and changes in financial market and payment system infrastructures, including the potential for central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. The U.S. Treasury responded with a statement from Secretary Janet Yellen that said, "This approach will support responsible innovation that could result in substantial benefits for the nation, consumers, and businesses." The industry responded favorably, and the Ether price followed Bitcoin higher to rise from the $2,455.59 low on the 7th of March to a high of $2,761.80 on the 9th of March. But it was unable to hold the gains and the price fell to $2,503.89 on the 13th of March. There is potential for the Ether price to stabilize over the short term, as data from whale stats showed several large purchases of more than $1 million in ETH in recent days, whereas Bitcoin whales have recently reduced their holdings. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum whale addresses holding between 10,000 and 1 ETH. Typically the highest level of regularly active traders have stayed relatively stable over the past 2 weeks, sentiment analysts noted on the 4th of March. The future Ethereum price will depend on the continued adoption of the cryptocurrency, among other factors. The Ethereum coin is solidly entrenched as the second largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin, BTC. As one of the first blockchain projects to offer smart contracts that enable developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, Ethereum accounts for around 55% of the $197.69 billion in total value locked, TVL in decentralized finance, DeFi apps on all blockchains, according to DeFi Llama. Ethereum-based apps and services have been attracting increased interest from venture capital investors. Arcane Research noted. Massive capital raises pushed the valuations of several crypto companies to unicorn levels. Ethereum Layer 2 developer Starkware reached a $6 billion valuation. Ethereum NFT gaming startup Immutable hit a $2.5 billion valuation, and digital real estate platform Roofstock closed a funding round at a $1.9 billion valuation. The use of Ether, along with Bitcoin and stable coins, as an alternative to cash has spiked in Ukraine and Russia, according to data compiled by James Butterfield, head of research at CoinShares. Combined, Russia and Ukraine have seen daily trading volumes rise to $80 million per day at times. This has predominantly been against the crypto pairs USDT and BUSD, commonly used US dollar stable coins, crypto coins that are pegged to the US dollar, but we have also seen significant amounts of Bitcoin and Ethereum used too. We believe cryptocurrencies are being used as a hedge against falling domestic currencies and for their portability, particularly important for Ukrainian refugees, allowing them to cross borders without the risk of confiscation, theft of their assets. Thanks for watching. Please support by subscribing once again. See you guys in my next video.